Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create or delete a mailbox on the iPhone 13 running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on the Mail app. In here, make sure that you go back to the mailboxes. So if you are in one of the email box, tap on the back key at the top to go back to the mailbox home screen, and then tap on the edit button at the top. Next, tap on new mailbox at the bottom, and in here give it a name, and then tap on mailbox location and choose where you would like to create this new mailbox. So I'm going to create it under the Gmail account, and then tap on saved, and then go down in your Gmail and check to make sure it is in here. So there it is, and then tap on done. Okay, so once you have created a new mailbox, if you want to organize the emails, you can move those email messages to the new folder that you have created. And that's it. To delete the mailbox, again you go back to your mailbox home screen and then tap on edit, and then in here we're going to open up this mailbox and then tap on delete mailbox, then tap on delete, and that's it. Now it may take some time for the mailbox to be removed from your list right here, depending if it's going to update straight away or it waits for a few minutes. And that's it. Tap on done to finished. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.